Do swimming pool pumps require maintenance? If you're a new pool owner and you've never had to take care of a pool pump before, you might be looking at this thing wondering, what do I even need to do with it? Fortunately, the answer is not very much. There's really only two maintenance items that you need to worry about. One of them is very, very rare that you do, one of them you have to do all the time. So, the rare one is that there is a gasket in between the lid and the body of your pump. About once a year or so, you want to apply a lubricant to that. And the one that you want to use should not be something like Vaseline, which is petroleum based and can cause damage to that gasket. You want to use a silicone based lubricant and once a year apply that to that gasket for the lid of your pump. So that's the one that you're not going to do very often. What's the other thing that you need to do to a pump regularly? You need to make sure that any leaves that accumulate in the strainer basket are removed from the system. If you were to ignore that maintenance point, eventually the pump basket will fill with leaves and you'll start to starve the pump for water. You could cause it to overheat, and that could result in damage. But other than these two maintenance items, there's very little that you need to do to maintain a swimming pool pump. They kind of just dutifully run away 24 hours and you just more or less leave them, other than cleaning out the strainer basket and occasionally lubricating the gasket. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.